There, have you ever wondered how to grow your money passively without having to study individual stocks or bonds? Well, that's what we're going to talk about today. The term ETF might sound intimidating if you are new to investing, but with a little information, you'll find out it's actually quite simple. Firstly, ETF stands for Exchange Traded Fund. In layman terms, it's like a basket of stocks, bonds, or other assets, but you only need to make a purchase to own them all. This is why it's a popular choice for beginners and seasoned investors as well. You might ask, what does it make it so special? The key reason is diversification. By investing in ETF, you're spreading your money across the different assets. This significantly reduces your risk comparing to buying individual stocks. Example, how is the fund's expense ratio? You want to pick a low expense ratio one, and how is the fund's overall return over the year's 10-year period? Because you don't want to just look at year to date. You need to look at the whole historical return. Because just because one year it does well doesn't mean it will do well the other years. So you got to look at the overall historical return, consistent return. And also we got to look at the dividend yield. The higher one is better, but some of them are just like with very high dividend yield, but the historical return is not good. Those are not good either. So all those criteria we got to look at, not just one. We'll also look at the ones according to your financial goals too. For example, if your financial goals, you want to really, you're very young, you really want the ETF to have growth. So you might want to invest those like tech AI stocks, AI ETF funds. If you have like almost retire and you want to play it safe, you might want to invest in those ETF dividend fund. Different ETF, of course, it's like stock, have different risk. I highly recommend using free online resources to compare ETFs to give you an idea which one to look at, which are the good ones. I'm going to make another video later and to show you this amazing online tool. You can do some in-depth research and make more informed decisions. This is a little heavy, I know. Let's move on to buying your first ETF, shall we? It's actually as easy as 1, 2, 3. Firstly, you will need to set up a brokerage account. Some of the brokerage accounts are Vanguard, Fidelity, and M1 Finance. Like Vanguard and Fidelity are quite old. They have a lot of investment options there. The new one, like M1 Finance, they have less investment option. And but the platform, the brokerage software, once you go on the website, is pretty smooth. So they both have their advantage. If you just want to do a simple ETF dividend fund, not like option, you could use all of them. And next, you deposit the funds into the account. Finally, you buy your selected ETF through your account using this ticker symbol. And voila, you are an ETF investor. At this point, you may ask, what's the current trend for like 2024? We're going to, as I said before, we're going to dive into more detail and use this investment tool, the database tool, to pick out some good ones for the next video. All right, it's crucial to define your financial goals and corresponding risk before diving in for the next video. So this time, we'll stop here. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe and watch more of these financial tips. Good investing takes time, patience, and a little bit of knowledge. And I'm proud of you. You took a significant step for your investment